now, it's time for some safety lectures with Zorak.
Oh yes, this better be good.
Today's inspiring lecture is in regards to vehicle safety. Subject, road racing.
Oh, that's easy. I know all about vehicle safety. Like, always get your seatbelt buckled when you're driving.
Yeah, well, it may seem that way to you, Zorak, but in my opinion, I've always had troubles with seatbelts. One time I tugged the belt so hard, I clicked it on, and it felt like I was being tied to a chair. And as a little kid, I've made several complaints about that all the way to school.
Sheesh, well, anyways. Now, before you're ready to drive, always wear a safety helmet. It helps to protect your skull. Otherwise, you might risk having a splitting headache.
I'm getting a splitting headache by listening to your lectures.
Yeah, ignoring him. So bottom line, the next rule is to be patient and wait for the starting gun, and then you're off like a rocket. No, I don't mean those guns.
Pow, right in the kisser. Good one, Elmer. Or Sam, or whoever you are.
I just can't seem to live with this guy. Anyways. Also, the number one rule, try to avoid driving backwards. Not only is it considered dangerous, but also kinda silly. I mean, most drivers would risk crashing into each other. Don't believe me? Well, here's a clip that we showed you last February. Now, here's the correct way of road racing.
And there you have it for another exciting episode of Safety Lectures with Zorak. Tune in next week when we discuss the concept of how to use a can opener.
Quite funny that you mentioned it, Space Ghost. I could sure go for a Coca-Cola right now. I want to get my flavor on. Know what I'm saying?